Heath Glazed Rum Carrots. Definitely something you want to make for the holidays. I'm Chef Champion. Let's bring cooking back the way it used to be. Welcome to the new age of culinary learning. Welcome back, everybody. So on our break, we have our pan-seared Jamaican pork tenderloin, and then we made a mango rum sauce to go with that. Now I'm gonna show you how to make this Heath Rum Glazed Carrots. So the first thing you wanna do is get you a non-stick pan, turn that on about a medium heat, and we're gonna add a little bit of this delicious Sholesberg Creamery butter, all natural. Make sure it's salted, give it a little bit of flavor. We're gonna let that melt down a little bit. Now that that butter's nice and melted, we're gonna go ahead and add in our carrots. And I'm using the small Baby Supreme carrots, and that way I don't have to cut them or do any type of prep work to them. Give that a nice little mix. And then for the seasoning, we're gonna go ahead and use some of this Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. And if you don't have the Jamaican seasonings because the store's not by you, by all means, you can use your Cajun seasoning, you can use your salt and pepper, use whatever you want. Got a nice little toss. And then we're just gonna cook these for about a minute, minute and a half. I got about 12 ounces of baby carrots in here right now. So at this point, after about a minute, I'm just gonna take one of those carrots and I'm gonna taste it to see if I need to add any more seasoning. And I can really taste the Jamaican jerk seasoning in there, so I don't need to add any more. So it looks like that's about done. These cook for about 2 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and add it back to our bowl. And then using that same skillet, we're gonna add in our dark brown sugar. Now make sure you use the dark brown sugar because it has that high molasses content. And it's gonna really help to caramelize and bond everything together. Just gonna give that a nice little toss. Then we'll go ahead and add in our cinnamon. And then we're gonna thin that out, which is gonna bring everything together with some of this Heath rum. Now the Heath rum is actually a toffee flavored, so it's really gonna add a unique flavor to this. If you don't have Heath rum by you, by all means, you can use regular rum. That will work just as well. Give that a nice little mix. And now that it's all bonded together, last little step I'll add is a little bit more of this Sholesberg Creamery butter. So basically what I'm making is kind of like a caramel sauce. That should be enough. Give that a nice little mix. This sauce is very quick and very easy. As you see, it's only been a couple of minutes and the sauce is pretty much done already. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more butter. And when you make this, by far, this is not just for carrots. I mean, you can put this on pretty much over any vegetable. You can even put it over ice cream. You can make this out of a dessert sauce if you want. So now that's pretty much done, I'm gonna go ahead and add my carrots right back to it. And then now I'm just gonna toss the carrots in this glaze, just like so. And then I'm gonna actually let these cook in the glaze for about another minute and a half. What you're looking for is for the sauce to actually start to foam and engulf all of the carrots to really get that nice caramelized bond. So these look like these are pretty much about done. There's gonna be a little bit of the sauce left over. By all means, save that sauce. I told you there's many other things you can do with that, so we'll turn that off. And as you guys can see, the nice caramelized glaze over that. Like I said, you don't wanna cook these too long because you want them to still have a little bit of an al dente crunch to them. I'm gonna set those right in there, just like so. If you guys can smell what I smell right now, I smell sweet, I smell savory, I smell Jamaican, I smell rum. Look, I know you guys are getting excited now. So as you guys see, I have a little bit left over. You can drizzle that over it. We'll just take a little scoop and just drizzle that over the carrots. And there you have it, your Heath Rum Glazed Carrots.